Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities, and in today's video I'll share my personal experience during my childhood when I saw and realized the power of emotions on a human body. So I was around 4 or 5 years of age, wherein one day I had high fever and it was constantly increasing. Again, medicines were given to me, but it wasn't working. But my father was not at home and I kept on asking for father, so kept on repeating father, wherein I could not open my eyes, and 3 days passed on. I did not eat anything, and these medicines were also not working. So mother realized, because I've not seen father since 3 days and night, because father was working in some remote area because of office work, wherein phone network wasn't reachable. So when 3 days passed on, my mother tried, connecting to father, but then nothing was helping. But then she got connected to the head office of my father, and then from there somebody, informed my father that your daughter is not well since 3 days and night, and you are working here. So my father came within few hours when the moment he got to know about my health condition, and I was not able to open my eyes since 3 days, and medicines were also not working. But the moment I heard the voice of my father, I all of a sudden was able to open my eyes, and then I was fine now. I had dinner with my father. It was a night time only when he came. My mother was surprised, since 3 days and night she hasn't eaten anything. She's not able to open her eyes. Yeah, asking for father again and again. But then it was sort of a magic we all saw. And because see, medicine were given to me constantly, but it wasn't helping. But the moment I saw and heard the father voice, and then opened my eyes and had dinner, had chit chat with my father, and then suddenly the fever was also gone. So everybody was surprised. That was the time when I realized, even I was surprised, because I had a lot of fever, and then because of that had a headache and body pain also. So all of a sudden it was gone when I saw and heard father's voice. So that was the moment which I remember and realized the power of emotions and feelings on a human body. So I remembered this incident since my childhood. So when the moment I started recognizing my own spiritual gifts and powers, I took some harsh decisions for myself, which was for other people also, and for myself, and because of which divine wasn't happy when I came in divine communication. So divine was telling me that you are not supposed to do this and that. But what were those harsh decisions and boundaries I set during my childhood because of the powers I hold? So that I'll be sharing in separate video, and everything is again interconnected to the twin journey. You will all understand reason behind me sharing all these my personal life experiences, so that you will have a lot of mental clarity. Because to do the further energy work in this twin flame connection, twin flame journey, you will require such a clarity, so that you know what destination you are supposed to reach. So this was my personal experience which I remember. Yeah, because when so there was one thing that I had several discussions with myself when it comes about dealing with others' emotions. So I have been so conscious that if there is somebody who is innocent, pure, or good person, I should not be a reason for the pain of that person. That I have made sure. I don't care about a wrong person, what they go through, but then yes, I have been conscious that the person who is good should not be hurted by me in any circumstances because of any reason. So I don't remember such incidents in my life. So but again, because of this, I took some decisions which were it helped me in my journey. But again, because of those, I also created a lot of blockages, I can say. What were those decisions? I will share it in my next upcoming video. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.